Hey guys, I'm back. I am going to be working through a few problems for your first worksheet of the week, the one that had been just under the notes were posted. It says mean, median, mode, and range on the paper, but for this one, it's just practicing finding the mean and the median. I know it gives you guys an answer key, but just because you were like, oh, it has an answer key, I'll just write these down. That's not really helping you learn. So if you're stuck, if you don't understand something, I'm just making this video kind of explain it step by step, and then hopefully you can figure it out, and then you'll feel better because you'll understand what you're doing and feel more accomplished. So I'm not going to do every problem, but I figure I'll probably do like 2 or 3 of them. So I have my computer set up where I can write on it. So hopefully my handwriting's a little bit better than it is when I try and use the mouse. I mean, I don't have neat handwriting, I would say, to begin with, but this is a little easier to write with my finger than it is with the mouse. So let's see how it goes. A reminder, the median is the element in the middle of the data set. So if you had 5 numbers, it would be the third number. If you had 6 numbers, it would be the third and the fourth number added together divided by 2. The mean is when you add all of the numbers that you are given together, and then you divide it by how many numbers there are. So if you had 5 numbers, you'd add them all together and then divide by 5. Like I said, gonna work through some of the problems with you though, so hopefully we get this. So I'm going to do number 1 first. So we'll look for the mean first. Oop, why is this a highlighter? Click the wrong thing. Woohoo, great start. All right, so the mean. So we need to add them all together and then divide by how many there are. So we have 15, 13, 16, 17, 8, and 16. Nope, that's not 16. That's just 6. No, I erased my note. Oh, we got it back. We're good. Gotta be more careful, I guess. Anyways, 8. Guys, it's Corona quarantine. It's getting to me. 16 was right. And then 6. All right. 15, 13, 16, 17, 8, 16, 6. Got all the numbers. So we can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. So after we add all of those together, we're going to have to divide the answer by 7. So we have 15 plus 13, that gives us 28. 28 plus 16, 8 plus 6 is 14. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're at 44. 44 plus 17 is 4 plus 7 is 11. 4 plus 1 is 5, 6. 61 plus, oh, I should probably mark these off as I do it so I don't get confused. So and I'll use a different color. We did 15 and 13, we did 16, we did 17. Now we need to do 61 plus 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 6 plus nothing is 69. So we can go ahead and cross off that 8. Then we have 69 plus 16. 9 plus 6 is 15. 6, 7, 8. 85. We can cross off that 16. And then 85 plus 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. 8 plus 1 is 9. So our total is 91, and we need to divide that by 7. Am I doing it right? I hope I'm doing it right. I'll have to start all over. 7 goes into 1. Or no, that's not how we do that. Oopsie, oopsie, oops. Nope, nope, don't want that. There we go. So 7 divided by 91. 7 goes into 9 one time. 7 times 1 is 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. Carry the 1. 7 goes into 21. 7, 14, 21. 3 times. So 91 divided by 7 is 13. So I'm going to erase all this. No. Just be careful and not erase my notes. I'm still learning this technology, so bear with me, guys. I know you guys are learning Canvas too, and it's a little complicated. I'm in my own Zoom meeting all by myself, and you can record the screen. So that's the easiest way I found to do this. So our mean, which is when we added all the numbers together and then divided by the total, was 13. Now we have to find the median. Remember, the median is the element in the middle of the data, so we have to put them in numerical order from least to greatest and then find the number that's exactly in the middle. So we start off with 6, 8, 13, 15, 16 twice, and 17. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers, so I did it right. So now we just have to cross off until we get to the middle. So you do 1 at the beginning, 1 at, don't know what I'm doing there. Come back. Good times, guys, good times. Where did my screen go? Aha, I don't know what I did. So we did 1 at the beginning, 1 at the end, another one from the beginning, another one from the end, another one from the beginning, another one from the end. 15 is left in the number, or is left in the middle. So our median for number 1 is 15. And as if you saw earlier, I was solo checking I was doing it right. I'm going to check the answer key. Mean 13, whoop. Median 15, whoop. I'll do another one with you guys. Please understand that I appreciate your patience with me figuring out how to do this. Hopefully this helps. So let's do number 5. Whew, there's a lot of numbers in number 5. So we will find our mean first again. So we need to add them all together. So we have 7 plus 12, which is 19, plus 8, which is 17, 27, plus 11, which will give us 38, plus 13, which will give us 51, plus 13 again, which will give us 64, plus 9, which will give us 73, plus 14 will give us 87, plus 20 give us 107, plus 9 give us 116, plus 13 I'm running out of space. I'm just going to erase it. 116 plus 13. Oh, boo. Nope. Come on now. I have an idea. Haha. That little line's not going to stop me. All right, anyways, back to what we were doing. 116 plus 13, 9, 2, 1. And then last but not least, plus 15. 9 plus 5 is 14. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus nothing is 1. So we have 144 divided by, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 numbers. 12 goes into 1 0 times. 12 times 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1, 14. 12 goes into 14 one time. 12 times 1 is 12. 4 minus 2 is 2. Bring down the 4. 12 goes into 24 2 times. 12 times 2 is 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. So there's no remainder. So our mean for number 5 should be 12. Moment of truth. Hey, look at that. 12. Now, gotta do it again. Find the median. I have an idea. Oh, that worked different than I thought. So the mean is just adding them up all together and dividing by the total numbers. I add number by number so I make sure I don't forget them, and it's easier to add together. It's a little tedious, but if you don't have a calculator, you gotta do what you gotta do to get the right answer. I don't know if you guys are supposed to have calculators or not, so I'll show you the hard way. So what was I doing? The median. So for this one, we need to write them in order from least to greatest. So our smallest number is 7, 8. There are 2 9s. And then 11. That's too far away. I'm never going to fit 12 numbers. I'm starting over. So we have 7, 8, 9, 9, 11. And then next we will have 2 13s. And then, 3 13s. And then a 14. And then a 15. And then I forgot a 12. I don't know if I can write on the other side of my computer screen. I'm kind of afraid to try, but I'm gonna do it anyways. So first we have 7. Can I? This is just, nope. 7, 8, 9, 9, 11, 13, 13. I forgot 12 again. So, teachers have problems and difficulties doing things too. So you guys aren't alone. If you're frustrated or struggling, we're here to help, but no, you're not the only ones, because I'm just trying to write numbers down and I can't even remember all of them. 12, 3 13s, a 14, a 15, and a 20. No. There. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Woo, I got them all. Now here's the easy part. Just cross them off and find the one in the middle. 1 here, 1 there, 2 here, 2 there, 3 here, 3 there, 4 here, 4 there, 5 here, 5 there. Oh, well, we can't do 6 and 6 because then we'll have nothing. So this is what it's talking about when it says if the median is the average, or if it's an even number, then it's the average of the two middle terms. So 12 is an even number, so that means we have to take the two middle terms, which in this case are 12 and 13. To find the average, you just add them together and divide by 2. So 12 plus 13, 3 plus 2 is 5, 1 plus 1 is 2. 25 divided by 2. 2 goes into 2 one time. 2 times 1 is 2. There's nothing carried over. 2 goes into 5. 2 times 2 is 4. Let me see if I can move this. Woohoo! 2 times 2 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Really, cat? Goodbye. Ooh, goodbye again. Bring down an imaginary 0. 2 goes in, and you have a decimal here now. I don't know how to explain how to do that entirely. I think you guys know how to do it. But yeah, when you run out of space, then you bring a decimal and remainders and stuff. So hopefully you know that, because if not, then that'll be a different video maybe. But anyways, 2 goes into 10 5 times. 2 times 5 is 10, nothing else left. So 25 divided by 2 is 12 and a half. Another easier way to think of that is 12 plus 12 is 24. And if you do 13 plus 13, then you're at 26. So you need something in the middle to get to 25. So 12 and a half plus 12 and a half is 25. And let's go and check. Hey, number 5, 12 and 12 and a half. And like I said, I'll do 2 or 3, so I'll do one more. And by the end of the video, I finally figured out how to do stuff. But don't worry, I'll make more videos and hopefully they won't be as cringy. So let's do number 10. Finish it all up. Let's do the mean first because it's the first thing on your page. And again, the mean, we add them all together and then divide by how many there are. So 16, I'm going to change the color. I don't want to look at red anymore. 16 plus 8, oh, poo. I seem to have some uncanny talent for doing things I really don't want to. Anyways, 16 plus 8 is 24. 24 plus 16, 6 and 4 is 10. 2, 3, 40. 40 plus 10 is 50. 50 plus 12 is 62. 62 plus 9, that's a 9, I promise, is 71. 71 plus 12 is 83. 83 plus 15 is 98. 98 plus 16 is 4, 10, 11, 114. 114 plus 9 is 123, and 123 plus 20 is 143. Now let's see, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 numbers. So we have to do 143 divided by 11. Let's get all this nonsense out of the way again. Kind of miss smart boards, just make a giant circle and can erase everything. Maybe that's something I can do, maybe it's not. Maybe I'll learn, maybe I won't. If you guys have any idea, feel free to share. Or if you know something that you can record with easier or has better tools, just let me know. I'm open to suggestions. This is what I found first and easiest. So, nope, I just want it all. Doesn't do that. Oh well. So we have 11 divided by 143. I'm going to erase that down there so it's out of the way. Back to drawing. All right, so 11 goes into 1 0 times. 11 goes into 14 one time. 11 goes into 33 3 times with nothing left over. So our mean is 13. Let's double check. Oh yeah. And then we have to find our median. No! It's not what I want to do. Hopefully, I'll just get really good at this. We won't have these odd problems anymore. So our mean was 13. Now we have to find our median. Why won't you go away, odd thing? All right, so median. We have to line them up in numerical order from least to greatest and then find the middle. 11 is an odd number, so there should be a middle. So let's find out. So our smallest number we started with was 8. Only 1 8. Then we had 2 9s. And then we jump up to 10. And then from 10, we have 2 12s. After 12, our next number is 15, only one of them. After 15, there are 3 16s. After 16, there is 1 20. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 numbers. I'm good. Now I just have to find the middle. I know I extended my line a little bit, but it'll make sense. So here's my first number, my last number, my second number, my second last number, my third number, cross it off there, 4, 4, 5, 5. Our median is 12. Let's check it on out. Oh man, I was good. All right, so if this helps, let me know. I'm not trying to promote my YouTube page or anything, but if you like the video because this is helpful, then it lets me know that me spending my time doing this is a good thing because I'm trying to figure out ways to help you guys. And I thought this might be a good way. You can watch it whenever you want because I know some of you are up at wee hours in the morning when I'm sleeping. I can't help you when I'm sleeping. So if you're awake at 2 o'clock in the morning working on school stuff, you do you. Here's a video that shows you what to do. So, like I said, if this helps, let me know. Either message me in Canvas, you can message my Google Voice number, you can like this, you can comment on this, but let me know, what do you like, what do you want to see different, or what else could help you. All right, thanks for watching, guys.